Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into our review of Foodtography, an online platform that connects food photo sellers with buyers. If you're wondering whether photography is a legit way to earn money or just another scam, you've come to the right place. Let's break it down. Foodtography, according to its official website, is a marketplace where users can upload and sell food photos to interested buyers. The platform markets itself as a fun and easy way to make extra cash, especially for those comfortable with niche content. It offers features like secure transactions and user privacy, aiming to make the selling experience straightforward and safe. From what I gathered on Reddit and other online forums, the site seems to be legit. Users confirm it does pay and isn't a scam. However, it's important to set realistic expectations. The market for food photos is pretty competitive, with many sellers vying for a limited number of buyers. This means that while some people do make money, it's rarely easy money or a guaranteed income source. Additionally, there are reports about scams and scummy buyers lurking around, so caution and careful screening are necessary when dealing with clients. Photography isn't a get rich quick scheme, but more of a side hustle for those genuinely interested and willing to put in some effort. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. So, is photography legit or a scam? Based on available information, it is a legitimate platform, but success depends on your effort, patience, and caution when dealing with buyers. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.